Hello students, how are you? Okay, before we start the class today, let's pray together, okay? Okay, let's pray. Done. And now I will share the PowerPoint. Okay, can you see the PowerPoint? If you can see, then I will start right now. And today I will explain to you about narrative text. Do you know about narrative text? Okay, before I explain what is narrative text, I will show you the basic competencies of this topic. And for knowledge is distinguish social functions, text structure, and linguistic elements of several oral and written narrative texts by providing and asking for information related to folk legends, simple in accordance with the context in which they are used. And for skills is capturing contextual meanings related to social functions, text structures, and linguistic elements of narrative, oral and simple written texts related to folk legends. Okay, now what is narrative text? Apa sih narrative text itu? Narrative text is an imaginary story that aims to readers readers. The story is still in question because it could be just an imagination or a fictional story that created by someone or a group of people, and the truth is has not been proven yet. Jadi narrative text itu adalah cerita imajinasi yang bertujuan um, untuk menghibur pembaca. Namun story tersebut masih dipertanyakan karena bisa jadi itu hanya imajinasi yang dibuat oleh seseorang atau sekelompok masyarakat dan kebenarannya masih belum bisa dipastikan. And the next is social function. The social function of narrative text is to amuse or to entertain the reader with a story. And the next is generic structure. The generic structure of narrative text is orientation or opening paragraph where the characters of the story are introduced. Jadi orientation itu adalah paragraf pembuka di mana karakter-karakter dari sebuah cerita tersebut diperkenalkan. Lalu selanjutnya, complication tells the beginning of the problems which leads to the crisis or climax of the main participants. Jadi complication itu menceritakan tentang awal dari permasalahan yang terjadi atau menuju klimaks dari pemain-pemain utamanya. And the next is resolution. The problem or the crisis is resolved either in a happy ending or in a sad ending. Jadi resolution itu adalah masalah tersebut sudah diselesaikan. Entah itu diakhiri dengan akhir yang bahagia atau akhir yang tragis atau sedih. And the last is evaluation. the discussion of moral values or philosophy that can be drawn from the story. Jadi evaluation itu adalah diskusi tentang moral value atau filosofi yang bisa kamu gambarkan dari cerita tersebut. Jadi apa sih pesan yang bisa kamu petik dari cerita tersebut? And next is characteristics or language features. The characteristic of narrative language is past tense, jadi menggunakan past tense karena menceritakan tentang hal yang sudah terjadi di masa lampau, like killed, drunk, met, saw, or extrasa. And then adverb of time is once upon a time, one day, there was, a long time ago, or extrasa. Time conjunction is when, then, suddenly, one evening, or extrasa. The specific character. The character of the story is specific, not general. Jadi karakter dalam cerita tersebut itu spesifik, jadi tidak umum. Tidak secara umum, seperti Cinderella, Snow White, Roro Jonggrang, Timun Mas, Sang Kuryang, atau yang lain-lain. And the last is action process. Action process is came, made, washed, killed, dug, walk, or extrasa. And now is the kind of narrative text. Jadi ini adalah macam-macam dari narrative text. Ada folktale atau cerita rakyat seperti Andi-Andi Lumut, Alibaba, Pinocchio, dan Timun Mas. Lalu ada fairy tale atau cerita peri seperti Cinderella, Aladdin, Snow White, Thumbelina. And the next is fable. Fable adalah cerita yang menceritakan tentang hewan. Jadi seperti si kancil, Winnie the Pooh, or Ice Age. And number 4 is legend atau legenda. Seperti legenda yang beredar di masyarakat seperti Sang Kuryang, Malin Kundang, atau Danau Toba. Dan yang terakhir adalah myth atau mitos. Mitos ini belum bisa dipastikan kebenarannya seperti Ajaka and Dewata Cengkar or the mythos of Dewi Sri. And now is the time of exercise 1. And for the exercise 1, I want you to watch the video carefully to answer the questions in the next slide. Okay? Jadi kalian perhatikan baik-baik ya video yang akan saya share setelah ini karena ada kuis yang akan saya bagikan ke kalian.
Sleeping Beauty. There once was a good, kind king and his queen. After many years, the queen had a baby girl. The king and queen were very happy and loved the little princess. When the baby princess was christened, the king invited 6 good fairies of the kingdom to a feast at the palace. But the king forgot to invite the 7th fairy, who was mean and wicked, but very powerful. The wicked fairy showed up at the palace very angry and said to the baby, "When you turn 16, you will prick your finger on a spinning wheel and die." And then she disappeared. The king and queen were devastated, but one of the good fairies said, "I cannot undo the spell of the wicked fairy, but I can change the curse. Instead of dying, you shall fall asleep for 100 years." Everyone was in despair. The king then shouted, "All spinning wheels of my kingdom must be burned. That way the princess cannot prick her finger on one." And so it was done. When she turned 16, the princess was wandering through the palace and she saw a little staircase she had never seen before. In a room at the top of the staircase, she found an old woman with a spinning wheel. It was the wicked fairy in disguise. "What are you doing?" asked the princess. "I'm spinning. Come, I'll show you," said the wicked fairy, and when the princess put out her hand, she pricked her finger. At once she fell asleep, but the spell was so that everyone else in the palace fell asleep as well. The years went by, and a dense forest grew outside, hiding the palace. After 100 years had passed, a prince was walking through the forest when he saw the palace gate. He entered the gate and saw everyone sleeping. He then went to the tower and found the princess asleep. He was so overwhelmed by her beauty that he kissed her gently. She opened her eyes and smiled. "You've come at last," she said. Everyone in the palace woke up, and the king quickly thanked the prince for breaking the wicked fairy's spell. The prince then asked if he could marry the princess. "Of course," said the king. "Yes, please," says the princess. The prince and princess had a grand wedding, and they lived happily ever after. The end.
Oke, jadi kalian sudah melihat ya video tersebut. Oke, sekarang waktunya quiz. Dan for the quiz, saya akan mengambil nilai dari quiz. Siapa yang bisa menjawab quiz dari saya akan mendapat nilai lebih. Oke, jadi if you want to answer the quiz, please turn on your video and then raise your hand and say your name, then I will let you answer the question. Okay, number 1. What is the title of the story? Ada yang bisa menjawab? Okay. The answer is Sleeping Beauty. The title of the story is Sleeping Beauty. Okay, number 2. What is the story tells about? Siapa yang bisa menjawab? Okay, jawabannya adalah The The story tells about the favorite daughter of the king and queen who was hit by a witch curse. And then number 3, what kind of narrative text that related to the story? Okay, the answer is fairy tale. Sleeping Beauty is a fairy tale. Okay, now the quiz number 2 is match the word in column with the synonym in column B. So match the column A with column B, okay? If you want to answer, don't forget to turn on your video and say your name, okay? Number 1, pretty. What is the synonym of pretty? Okay, can you jawab? The answer is E, beautiful. And the synonym of pretty is beautiful. Number 2, the synonym of angry. What is the synonym of angry? Okay, the answer is A, mad. The synonym of angry is mad. And now despair. What is the synonym of despair? Everyone, ada yang bisa menjawab? Everyone can answer. Okay, the answer is C, hopeless. The synonym of despair is hopeless. And now number 4, place. What is the synonym of place? Okay, jawabannya adalah D, kingdom. And number 5, this is the last question of the quiz. Yes. And what is the synonym of quickly? Okay, the answer is B, fast. The synonym of quickly is fast. Okay, anyone have a question about the topic today? Apakah ada yang kesulitan dengan topik hari ini? Bisa ditanyakan selagi kita masih ada waktu, sekitar 3 menit lagi, bisa ditanyakan jika mengalami kesulitan. Oke, jika tidak ada yang mengalami kesulitan, and this is the homework for you, and I want you to choose one of the narrative text that you like. Jadi pilih salah satu cerita naratif, teks naratif yang kalian sukai, terserah itu judul apa saja, and then read and understand the story. Jadi baca dan pahami apa yang ada di cerita itu tentang apa, menceritakan tentang apa, and then make a 3 minutes video that details the story that you choose. Jadi buatlah video sekitar 3 menit yang kalian menceritakan kembali tentang cerita yang kalian pilih tadi, naratif teks yang kalian pilih. And then the deadline to submit your video is at 24th of May at 23 o'clock, at 11 o'clock. Okay? So, good luck, students. And saya pikir waktunya sudah habis, jadi saya akhiri kelas hari ini sampai di sini. And thank you for your presence. And don't forget to wear mask, stay safe, and stay healthy. Okay? Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will end the meeting right now. Okay? Bye.